Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to share videos on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. After that, you just need to go and of course log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the project and quick recordings. We have AI speakers and templates, and also we have the workspace. But now guys, let's see what we how we can actually go and share videos on Descript. So first of all, when you click on, you have to go and create a project. So click on new project and video project, for instance, and click on the, when you of course finish, click on the publish button in the top right corner of the interface. So click on the publish button. Then you can choose to publish your video to various platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or Google Drive, or you can export it to your computer. Select export and choose your desired file format. And select the platform where you want to publish your video, sign it if needed, and follow the prompts to upload your video directly. Before exporting, you can adjust settings like resolution, frame rate, and quality to ensure your video meets your needs. Once your video is published, you can share the generated link with others to view the video. This makes it easy to collaborate with others or share your content on social media and other platforms. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.